this works, I'll be world famous.
The atmospheric conditions and pressure ratios, combined with the lack of any precipitation, make it a fine AM for our test.
What?
It's a beautiful morning for a blast-off.
Why didn't you just say that? Wait, come back here. Wait a minute. Huh? This is amazing! Awesome!
That's it! I'm one angry bird! Why do you test in the morning? You're always waking me up!
You've heard the saying, the early bird catches the worm, right?
Yes, and I hate it! They should change it to, the early noisy dog and cat ought to go back to sleep! What are you guys testing anyways?
An individual back-mounted rocket-powered propulsion unit.
A what?
A jetpack.
I saw Tom flying like a catbird! This is great! Everyone is gonna want one of these!
Not everyone.
We'll be able to zip anywhere in seconds, with no traffic jams. Only one problem. Bugs in your teeth.
Ew!
So, we need a mandible maxilla-mounting incisor protector.
Oh, what?
What?
A mouth guard.
Why didn't you just say that?
I wanna fly! You're too young, so don't touch it. They didn't say you couldn't touch it, Gina. Now, which button to push? Oh, look at that. He touched it!
I gotcha!
I'm sorry. I just wanted to fly. It's totally broken. So much for fame and fortune. I'll help you fix it.
No. It's too dangerous.
Hey, look! A lizard!
And I'm going back to bed. Why don't you guys try and invent something quiet for a change?
Challenge accepted!